Hello everyone, welcome to the 6th chapter of WPS Word. In this section, I'm going to talk about how to add comments. We often use WPS in our work and study, so how to add comments to the articles for our review. First, place the cursor where you want to insert a comment and click Review tab to insert a comment. A comment box will pop up on the right. We can enter the content we need. If we want to add comment to a single sentence or word, we just need to repeat the same procedure. If we need to reply to a comment, what should we do? Click the mark on the top right of the comment. The edit window will pop up and click Reply. If this problem has been solved, you can click Done. If you want to delete this comment, you can click Delete. How to delete all comments? Select a comment and click Delete to delete this comment and all comments in this document. This is the end of this section. Thank you.